Now this is something I always wanted to do. You know how when you used to be a kid and you used to drive and you see a truck and you want them to do like this and blow the horn? Let me see if I can get somebody to blow the horn. Wait a minute, what happened to the traffic? Where's the traffic? Oh, okay, we got it coming this way there for it. Hey, how y'all doing? Blow your horn. Blow your horn. Hoo hoo. They ain't paying me no attention. Hey, blow your horn. How you doing? Nobody? Nobody love me. Oh, here come a truck. I did it, man. I got one. Yeah.